Hey everyone, it's Eric coming to you from ICI Homes here in Nocatee. I'm in the wonderful new community of the Colony where we're building on 60-foot and 70-foot home sites. Behind me is one of our inventory homes that you can see is under construction. It's one of the newest Egrets. It's the Egret VII. It's over 2,800 square feet, single story, 3-car garage. This will all be brick pavers out here, and this will be ready before school. So if you're looking to move into this area, want to get in before school, this is a perfect home. Like I said, come on inside and let's take a look around. So one of the nice, amazing things here, it's hard to see right now because we're under construction, is the 12-foot ceilings that come standard inside this home through the main living. You have a formal dining room here or a play area. Over to the other side here, it's hard to tell, but there's doorways that come into a nice office. And because of the nice 12-foot ceilings, you'll see the really nice transom lights or transom windows. So a lot of natural light flows into this house. Goes into the 1-car garage here. We put a fireplace in this home as well. And behind this fireplace is you have the owner's suite. And then as my partner, who's my wife, pans around, we have 3 bedrooms down this side over here. Now the front bedroom, we're not going to walk you through it because it's hard to see with all the framing. It's called an ensuite, so it has a bathroom inside the bedroom. And then back on this back side, we have 2 more bedrooms split by a full bath. You have a large kitchen here, a breakfast nook. But once again, because of the 12-foot ceilings, you can see all these transom windows. We put a tray ceiling in this home as well. But come on back, I got to show you this. 12-foot of sliders that are right here. Now look at this view. Isn't this just really amazing? More than enough room to put a pool in. Backs up to this conservation. 12-foot ceilings out here again. So this home is one of the newest floor plans we have out here. It's called the Egret VII, over 2,800 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage. Stop by today in the Colony, which is located in the 20-mile section of Nocatee, and see myself or my partner, who's my wife. We gotta go. Bye.